Hello everyone. Today we will study chapter 8, class 7, NCERT Geography. Human environment interaction, the tropical and the subtropical region. Renuka was excited. Shrikant uncle was home after a gap of nearly 4 months. He was a wildlife photographer and traveled widely. Renuka's interest in wildlife and forest began at an early age when her uncle introduced her to book on nature. Pictures of distant land and people who lived there always fascinated her. Look at the picture. People from various parts of the world. In this picture, Renuka, you can see people from different part of the world. Some from dry desert, some from frozen land, and some from hot, wet rainforest. They look so different from me, observed Renuka. They may look different, but they share the same basic needs of life: food, clothing, and shelter. Explained Srikant uncle. Their children do the same things as you probably do: play games, quarrel sometimes, and then make up, sing, dance, and help the families with various things that need to be done. They live closer to nature and very early in their lives have learned to care of nature. For nature, they learn how to catch fish and how to collect material from the forest. In chapter 8, 9, 10, you will learn about the life of people in the different natural regions of the world. Do you know when Spanish explorers discovered the Amazon River, they were attacked by a group of local tribes wearing headgears and grass skirt. These people reminded them of the Fards tribes of women warriors known in ancient Roman Empire as the Amazons, hence the name Amazon. Life in the Amazon basin. Before learning about the Amazon basin, let us look at the figure 8.2. Notice that the tropical region lies very close to the equator, between 10 degree north and 10 degrees south. So it is referred to as the equatorial region. The river Amazon flows through this region. Notice how it flows from the mountains to the west and reaches the Atlantic Ocean to the east. The place where a river flows into another body of water is called the river's mouth. Numerous tributaries join the Amazon River to form the Amazon Basin. The river basin drains portions of Brazil, parts of Peru, Bolivia, Ecuador, Colombia, and a small part of Venezuela. Name the countries of the basin through which the equator passes. Look at the picture. Okay, tributaries means these are small rivers that join the main river. The main river, along with all the tributaries that drain an area from a river basin, are the catchment area. The Amazon basin is the largest river basin in the world. The Amazon basin in South America. Climate. As you know, the Amazon basin stretches directly on the equator. It is characterized by hot and wet climate throughout the year. Both day and nights are almost equally hot and humid. The skin feels sticky. It rains almost every day, that too without much warning. The day temperatures are high with very high humidity. At night, the temperature goes down but the humidity remains high. Rainforest. As it rains heavily in this region, thick forest grows. Figure 8.3, you can see this picture. Okay, the forests are in fact so thick that the dense roof created by leaves and branches does not allow to the sunlight to reach the ground. The ground remains dark and damp. Only shade tolerant vegetations may grow here: orchids, Bromeliads grow as plant parasites. The rainforest is in fauna. Birds such as uh, toucans, figure 8.4, hummingbirds, macaw with their brilliantly colored plumage, oversized bills for eating make them different from birds we commonly see in India. These birds also make loud sounds in the forest. Animals like monkeys, sloth, and eating tapirs are found here. Figure 8.5. Various species of reptiles and snakes also thrives in these jungles. Crocodiles, snakes, pythons around anaconda and boa constrictor are some of the species. Besides, the basin is home to thousands of species of insects. Several species of fishes, including the flesh-eating piranha fish, is also found in the river. This basin is thus extraordinarily rich in the variety of life found there. Do you know bromeliads are special plants that store water in their leaves? Animals like frogs use their pockets of water for laying their eggs. Uh, Look at the picture, okay? People of the rainforest. People grow most of their food in small areas after clearing some trees in the forest, while men hunt and fish along the rivers. Women take care of the crops. They mainly grow uh, mm, tapioca, pineapple, and sweet potato. As hunting and fishing are uncertain, it is the women who keep their families alive by feeding them the vegetables they grow. They practice slash and burn agriculture. The staple food is manioc, manioc, also known as cassava, that grows under the ground like the potato. They also eat queen ants and egg sac. Catch crops like coffee, maize, and coca are also grown. The rainforest provide a lot of woods for the houses. Some families live in thatched houses shaped like beehives. There are other large apartment-like houses called Maloka with a steepy slanting roof. Life of the people of the Amazon basin is slowly changing. In the older days, the herd of the forest could be reached only by navigating the river. In 1970, the Trans-Amazon Highway made all parts of the rainforest accessible. Aircrafts and helicopters are also used for reaching various places. The indigenous population was pushed out from the area and forced to settle in new areas where they continued to practice their distinctive way of farming. The developmental activities are leading to the gradual destruction of the biologically diverse rainforest. It is estimated that a large area of the main rainforest has been disappearing annually in the Amazon basin. You can see that this destruction of forest has a much wider implication. Figure 8.6. The topsoil is washed away as the rains fall and the lush forest turns into a barren landscape. Look at the picture 8.6, gradual destructions of forest. Okay. And life in the Ganga Brahmaputra basin. The tributaries of river Ganga and the Brahmaputra together form the Ganga Brahmaputra basin in the India subcontinent. Figure 8.8. The basin lies in the subtropical region that is situated between 10° north and 30° north latitudes. The tributaries of the river Ganga, like the Ghagra, the Son, the Chambal, and the Gandak, the Kosi, and the tributaries of Brahmaputra drain it. Look at the atlas and find names of some tributaries of the river Brahmaputra. The plain of the Ganga and the Brahmaputra, the mountains and the foothills of the, look at the picture of India's map. Okay, India, Ganga Brahmaputra basin, and Brahmaputra basin. Okay, Ganga Brahmaputra basin. Himalayas and the Sundarbans Delta are the main features of this basin. Oxbow lakes dot the plain area. The area is dominated by the monsoon climate. The monsoon brings rains from mid-June to mid-September. The summer are hot and the winter cool. Look at the map of India 8.8 to find out the states in which the Ganga Brahmaputra basin lies. The basin areas have a varied topography. Look at the picture. The environment plays a dominant role in the distributions of the population. The mountain areas with steep slope have inhospitable terrain. Therefore, a number of people live in the mountain area of the Ganga's Brahmaputra basin. The plain area provides the most suitable land for human habitation. The soil is fertile. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people, where flat land is available to grow crop. The density of population of the plains is very high. The main crop is paddy, 8.69 figure. Since the cultivation of paddy requires sufficient water, it is grown in the areas where the amount of rainfall is high. Wheat, maize, sorghum, grams, and millets are the other crops that are grown. Cash crops like sugarcane, jute, and are also grown. Banana plantation are seen in the some areas of the plain. In West Bengal and Assam, tea is grown in plantation. Figure 8.10. Silk is produced through the cultivation of silkworms in part of Bihar and Assam. In the mountains and hills where the slopes are gentle, crops are grown on terrace. The vegetation cover of the area varies according to the type of the landforms. In the Ganga and Brahmaputra plain, tropical deciduous trees grows along with the teak, sal, and people. Thick bamboo groves are common in the Brahmaputra plain. The delta area is covered with the, look at the picture, mangroves in part of Uttarakhand, Sikkim, and Arunachal Pradesh. Coniferous trees like pine, deodar, deodar, and fir can be seen because of the climate is cool and the slopes are steep.